Hey everybody. Y'all, now listen. We're at Home Goods, hanging out with my best friend today on her birthday. They can't see you. Say hey everybody. Hey everybody. And I am going into, you gotta stick your head over here. Hey everybody. Going into At Home store today. Now this is the deal. I'm looking for clearance Christmas because y'all know I have felt some kind of way with this Thanksgiving, when all of my grandbabies could not come home because our son and daughter-in-law were expecting our first baby girl. And it was just too close for her to travel. So I didn't even want to decorate for Christmas, okay? I usually have our home decorated before Thanksgiving, so when they get home, it feels like Thanksgiving and Christmas all wrapped up into one, all right? So going into At Home, I'm hoping I can find some Christmas clearance because you best believe that Nana and Papa will be decorated for Christmas this year, 2025. Y'all, we may be decorating for Christmas in October because when all of the grandbabies get there, they need to see all of the Christmas things and just feel like it's Christmas at Nana and Papa's, okay? So I'm looking for stuff like Grinch, maybe gingerbread house, lollipops, all that kind of stuff that we can decorate the tree with. And then when they get ready to leave after Thanksgiving, honey, they can take all that stuff off the tree and take it back home to their homes and put it on their Christmas tree. So that's the plan. So hopefully I'm not too late. We are well into the first week of January, so we will see what they have, okay? Y'all already know the deal. I've not had to say this in a while, but you know, we have some new family members, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, welcome. We are so glad that you're here. But these are the rules. When we get in the store, I'm gonna need you to act like you got some sense, okay? Don't go in there touching on all the things because it's on clearance. Keep your hands to yourself, look with your eyes and not with your hands, okay? It's too cold out here for me to send you back to the truck. But what I'll do is sit you down somewhere in a corner in the store until I'm ready to go. All right, so don't go in here showing out. All right, because if you do, Auntie Donna coming back with that same energy. Don't embarrass me in here. All right, okay, so let's go in here and see if we find anything, and if we don't, that's okay too, because I know so many of you just enjoy getting out of the house, especially if you are unable to do so, okay? So if we don't find anything, we just hope that you all enjoy the field trip, our first field trip in 2025. Now you've probably been on some other field trips this year, but if you did, they were recorded in 2024. So this is our first 2025 field trip, okay? All right, you guys, let me get my lip gloss on, and then us is gonna be ready to get in the store. Okay, we're starting off with all things Easter. Let's see, where is Christmas? Well, I see some Christmas trees, 50% off. Like I need another Christmas tree, right? And by the way, for those of you that were down in the comments when we did our Christmas video, because our grandson Jackson, he was outside and we were leaving food for the reindeer, and we talked about Santa was in the neighborhood. For those of you that had an issue saying, oh my goodness, this woman is a Christian, she's teaching the baby all these lies about reindeer and Santa Clauses that don't exist, and what does that have to do with Christmas and Christ? And for those of you that were bothered and are still bothered, the Bible says, the Bible declares, 1 Corinthians, I think 13:11, when I was a child, I spake as a child, I thought as a child, I understood as a child, but when I became a man or woman, I put away childish things. So I said all that to say that we are going to allow our children, our grandbabies, to celebrate and enjoy Christmas just like we did when we were little, and all the things. We know that Jesus is the reason for the season. He was then, today, yesterday, tomorrow, and forevermore will always be. But like I said, we're going to allow our grandbabies to enjoy the season, and we're going to help them do so as we decorate and have all the lights and do all of the things. If that bothers you, you can click off of the video, because I'm going to remind you, I'm telling you now, and I'm going to remind you again when we are decorating for Christmas this year. Okay, so if you feel the need to do the most in the comment section, I suggest that you click off the video. Okay, all right, so we're going to let our children and our grandbabies enjoy Christmas, and when they get older, they will understand and know the real meaning of Christmas. We're going to make sure that they do that as well. Some of y'all just be doing the most, okay? All right, we're going to let our babies have this moment, okay? All right, carry on. Now I'm seeing this tree right here, thinking about my room. Oh, that would be so pretty in my room. Yeah, that would be so pretty in my room. 7 feet. Oh, I wish it were taller. But you know what? We can do some. Ooh, that's pretty. Block tree. Isn't that pretty? So it's a rose gold pre-lit flocked tinsel tree. Y'all, I like that. That's pretty. So display only, because it doesn't look like B18. I wonder if they have any in the box. Let's see. Oh, right in front of me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. With that box being open, I wonder if anything is missing. And here's another. Is this silver? I guess it is, because it looks like that one through there may be gold. Let's check this one out. Let's see what color is it. Champagne tinsel tree. Okay. Huh. this one is really green. Green, green. What is it called? Are they calling this color green? I hope you all can hear me, since I'm having to add music because of the music playing pretty loud in the background. Baby, this gives new meaning to a slim tree. Oh my goodness. That is slim, slim. I mean, for real. Slim, slim. I like it though. And this one is gold. Wow. Oh, this right here goes with the stocking zipper over there. Okay, I'm seeing some Christmas ornaments. Let's see. Listen, Peter Rabbit, I'm gonna need you to. Oh Lord, I'm pulling his head off. Peter Rabbit, you are in my way. I'm dragging him. His ears are getting caught in my bucket. Listen, little sir. Can we let me try to move you over a little bit. There you go. All right. Excuse me, sir. I didn't mean to grab your ears with my buggy. Okay. I think this is what I was looking for. So, you all know one thing about children, they love a whole lot of colors. Colors, colors, colors. So, I'm just focused on all the colors, you know? So it's like I want candy stuff. Oh, and the little suckers. Look at that. Oh. I want them to get excited when they pull up at Nana and Papa's house. They're gonna feel like they're in Christmas City. And the kids, peppermint. Cute, cute. Our Christmas tree has the white lights on it, but I do want I want our kids to see all, grandbabies to see all these colors. Well, you guys, I did great. So this is a start for Christmas for this year. And I'm excited. It's great. And I appreciate you all being on your best behavior while you were in the store. Nobody had to get sent back to the truck for not being good listeners. Thank you. While we were doing all the things. And you guys, I learned that tomorrow starts. Today was 50% off. Tomorrow starts 75% off, but it's okay because like I said, we're not in this area. I would have had to travel. Didn't want to put my items back because, honey, the folk gonna be waiting. She said tomorrow it's gonna be crazy with everybody knowing that it's 75% off, but with everything I got, I did great. It was less than $100, so I am pleased. But in any event, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. I hope you enjoyed the field trip today. Turn on those notification bells. That way you'll be notified when we're over here doing all of the things, all right? Thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye.